So today I'm here with a new project to share with you. This is a fabric cover folio album. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be taking a look at this super cute fabric folio that I created. So let me know if you guys would like to see a tutorial creating this book or maybe something very similar. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. So this book measures 7 by 6. So let me check. Yeah, 7¼ by 6, and then the spine it's about 2¼ inches. As you can see, we have some stitching around the corner, and when you open this up, we have 2 separate sections here, 2 separate kind of 2 side folios here. And so over here, this page opens up like this, and over here we have a place for a picture, so you can put 5 by 7 pictures here or just have 4 by 6s. And I just love how easy this project was to create and to add the paper also, because a lot of these pages are just the same size, but also it has a lot of room for pictures, and it's just super fun. So this piece here opens up like that, so you open these 2 sides, and then the center also opens up like this, so tons of room for pictures just on this little section. Then this opens here again, so this is all part of this same side, and then this opens up, and then this opens down, and then we have another large place for picture back there. So that is all this one side. And then on the other side we have this beautiful quote that says autumn leaves and pumpkins please. I love that. Then this opens here like that, so this is actually a large accordion fold, so it opens up like this and it opens up like that. And then over here we have things to do this fall, a little checklist here: pumpkin carving, apple picking, hay rides, crunchy leaves. I love walking on crunchy leaves and so all of those. And then this opens up here again. This is a 5 by 6.5, so you can definitely put a 4 by 6 and still see the design paper. This opens up again, and then this whole thing opens to the side, and then this center section opens up. And then back here we have a pocket, and I just added some journaling cards and some more of these cardstock pieces that you can use to add pictures here on both sides. So all of those tag here on this pocket. So a really super easy project with tons of room for pictures, and that is gonna be it for today's project share. I hope you guys enjoy the walkthrough. Let me know if you want to see a tutorial for me creating this book with you, and I'm gonna be having this little book available for purchase on my website, so you can check the link on the description box below. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by.